Okay, we're running another motor here, 65 FL. So this was soda blasted, right? So you can see the soda down there. Soda blast does not take corrosion out, or it's good for paint, but not anything else. It also doesn't damage finishes too much, where blasting will take that right off. So it's not good for getting stuff really clean. Each case of blasted, so it cleans everything off. So we clean up the flywheels. This one here has a bad shaft. Came loose in here, and this one fits better than the new one. Yeah. So the nut was loose and it ate the key up a little bit. So this is a brand new shaft. Not very good. Have to work on that a little bit to make it a little smoother. Yeah, the keyway is kind of eaten up on there a little bit. Come on, light. See how it's kind of not the best. We got to deal with that. So we got the one cylinder clean. We got to clean the other one up. We're going to bore these out. These have a bunch of rust and stuff in them and uneven finishes. These were polished somehow, not honed. Got to put new bearing races in it because the parts are all acid etched, which means they got corrosion down in them. So hard to see like this. So all the shafts have to be replaced. So he took out all the parts out of here, including the snap wing that you never take out. And of course we don't have it. So I went upstairs and grabbed my race cases, which has the bearing still in it, but I didn't take it out. I got to steal the snap wing out of here for now. And he's going to send me down the original one, right?
Yes, sir.
Pretty claims. Otherwise, Taiwan Teddy has them available. Only for 25 bucks. What a deal, huh?
Deal.
So we're going to put a higher compression piston in this. This was an F motor, which is low compression. This is FLH pistons, which are higher compression, have a higher dome. We're also putting a bigger cam in it. So we're going to punch these out for these to go in there. They don't fit right now. These are the early pistons that take the early snap ring. So with these ones here, these are 55A pistons, not 73. 73 is when they changed to a snap ring. Old parts. Alright, so we gotta get these cleaned up, take it apart. So once you go ahead and get all these nuts off of here, take out this fitting back here because we're going to lose the finish on that if we leave it. We're going to get these things split apart. And I got to split apart my set so that I can get the snap ring out of it, because we need the snap ring to put it back together. Lots of work. And we're also got the heater on right now in the back. And blasting parts too. Alright. to take this out and press. Alright. On the right size of the lock. I think it is correct. This way. Yep. One off of that fitting, then the other stuff. Got some balloon out of the way. Hardware here. Going out of the way. Alright, now we're going to add some gear cases. Could turn that fan off. The big one, not the small one. Okay, let's do it over here. Alright, what'd happen to it? Fit right in the bucket and it's missing. Trick. Okay, we're missing a half inch. Not in the bucket. Threw it in the bucket.
Bounce out the back.
Nope, right here.
Didn't even see it.
Cylinder's hiding it. Now we can take it apart. It's supposed to be tight. Where's that loose? That's supposed to be a press fit. Kind of a press fit. At least it's more than the other one. The other one fell out. The camera's in the way. Here, you can run that. You know how to use it?
I think so.
Perfect. You're Harley. Smell funny.
You say it smells funny?
Mm-hmm.
Smell like kerosene?
Could be.
That's
Something.
probably what it is.
Something.
It's my preferred chemical.
Your preferred?
Yep.
Doesn't quite smell like that. It's close. I guess it smells after it goes for a while. See all the acid residue on the bottom?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there was a little funk that came out of there.
This was an old cop bike motor, you said?
Yeah.
It had a bunch of cop bike stuff in it. Okay, this is the wrong fit in here. Not even the right size either. So it's supposed to be a 3/8 line, not a quarter. You don't see how hide the sockets on this cylinder. Quicker to find. Oh. If you're going to block off your primer, you plug this hole up. But I'm assuming we're going to leave that open.
For now.
Be correctly done. Now, are these tight or loose? Do you know?
Nope.
Appear to be tight. It's a good sign. I saw an idler gear once. Like that. circuit breaker though. Bring the circuit breaker gear with you?
Not unless it was in that bag.
Not seeing it. Idler gear. I can't use it for checking, too big. It's probably okay, this one was alright. You can feel a little bit of a wear mark right there, your finger feel it. And go up and down right there. It's probably okay, but you have to check it with your gear, your bushings. A little clamp's okay, but you don't want to have a lot of clunk clunk going on. Doesn't have to be perfect, but similar would be good. Alright, so we gotta press this out. We got 2 set screws going this way. It's best to take those out. Of course I can't get in there and get them out at all. Okay, what's going on here? What the hell? Looks like somebody went to town with a screwdriver. It's like they peened on them or beat on them or did something. I'm not sure what. This expands right here with that finger. Okay. Still good. Oh, one of them's tight. There it goes. Okay, those are good. Okay, get that out. Where's my case at?